everybody, my name is Tammy and welcome to Tammy TV show. Today we're gonna make lentil, and I'm a little shy because today is my first day doing it. So we only need use paper, tape, and scissors. And also here's my sister Fifi. So everybody gonna make some lantern. You can make lantern. So you can use some handles that going up or handles that going inside. I think today I'm going to do my handle doing inside. And also, you can color them. So, we're going to start coloring. We can start doing the lantern. So first, get a piece of paper, fold it just like a card. And when you're done folding a card, you turn it this way. You know where it's like all cut up. You cut right about here. Don't cut it all ready to the top. It's all about right there. Okay? And then repeat that. Until you get to the very end. You go right here, which is the end. If you get the end cut, you have to go all the way to the up because that's going to be the handle. Next, you got this. You're going to open it up and then you get a piece of tape. So, you're going to get two pieces of tape. Fifi, that's mine. Oh, I'm doing it for the show. Okay, you should get two. Now, you are getting this tape. You can put it up below. I think I'm using it up for the show. Put it in the corner. So you should know which way it should go. It should go like, you're gonna put it like this way. So we're gonna put it like right here, like where the fold is, like back to card. Kind of like that. That's the corner where we're gonna tape it. Put the tape on right there on the corner. If you can see that, you can there. And do it with the other tape, with the other corner. And then you turn this way, and you kind of roll it, but only like get it roll. Like you take this corner, put it right about here, and then like singing the other way, the back chop here a little bit, and then ta-da! It stay together, kind of like a diamond. Then it can also stand up too. It's a very good job on it.
Oh, hi.
Okay, everybody. I'm gonna fix one little thing.
I'll forget.
Okay, everybody. Fifi, you're blocking my way. So, okay, let me fix it. So only get two tape, so the mirror could be like a diamond like the other rest. And then it can stand up, and you do a very good job on it. And then you have to like the extra piece, the handle. So when you're inside, you get two big stick right there and there. But inside, but outside, put it like up here and like that. So when you do inside, so we get a piece of tape. Do this, get a little long. Make sure you get two pairs again. Okay. And then we put this one right about here inside the fold. Like pretend I got these two on right here. And then when you close it, it like don't stick. And then you chop them to... Hey, don't put that on your mouth.
Oh.
Here. And then you just remove the other right there. And then, ta-da! I come into a lantern. How cool is that? A lantern. Okay. So, here's a lantern, everybody. So, see you for the next video. Bye, everybody. Oh, and remember you can color it.